Today we're doing Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Let's get right into it. So, we start with the iconic main riff. So I'll give you a few options for how you're going to finger this main riff. I was playing the F sharp with my thumb, and then when I get to the end of the riff and my thumb is on E, I just leap up to the F sharp also with my thumb. The disadvantage to this is that leap. It can be a little bit awkward. If you want to fix that awkwardness, you could also do it this way. And play the F sharp with your first finger. That has the disadvantage of the fact that you're doing this section with 5-4-3, which is just a little bit awkward, but I'll leave it up to you. Either one is doable. So after that, we get into the main verse progression. So that's the chords A, E, D, A. And I just played it in root position, but when I'm actually playing the song, I'm inverting them to have the third in the bass of each chord. So that's C sharp E A, G sharp B E, F sharp A D, C sharp E A. Timing wise, we're going to play this progression in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, with a group of 4 at the end. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm accenting that rhythm by doing it in a left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right pattern. Then for the next part, mental wounds not healing, we're going F sharp, E, F sharp, then a big D chord. Mental wounds not healing, driving me insane. So that happens twice. F sharp, E, F sharp, D chord. And then the chorus. G sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp. And then we just hang on this F sharp chord for a bit. And then again, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp. And then the second time after that happens, F sharp, E, F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then F sharp, E, F sharp, and then down. F sharp, E, D chord, E chord, back into the verse. And that's going to be it for Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Have fun.